Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is fine at your home. Today we will discuss the topic message writing. Right? Now, what is message? Message is a written format in a written form to pass on some information to somebody with whom you cannot have the verbal communication. Right? Before writing message, certain points are there to be remembered. That is to keep in mind. Firstly, it should be there inside the box. Second thing is to remember is to note down is it should not exceed 50 word limit. Okay. Thirdly, only the main or the important information should be there. Yes. Extra information is not needed in this. Only to the point statement you can write down. Third, that is you are supposed to mention here, which is important in the message, is sender's name, receiver's name and the date when the message was written or the message is written. Clear? And in this, if you avoid articles, conjunctions, finite verb, if you drop down these points, it's okay with message, because here it's not required. If you drop down also, then also it will be okay. Clear? Now we will be explaining this message writing through one example. Here, as you can see, one conversation is there between Kavita and Anil, right? The telephonic conversation is there. What the conversation is saying? First, Kavita has received the phone. She is saying hello. Yes, as usually when we receive the call, so we say hello. Yes, so Anil is saying hello, I am Anil. Yes, he is Anil. Mohan's friend, is Mohan at home? He is asking for Mohan, that Mohan is there at home or not. What is Kavita response? What is her response? That is no, he has gone out to play. He is not at home. Mohan is not at home. He has gone to play. May I take a message for him? Yes, Kavita is saying, may I take the message for him? For whom? For Mohan. Right? Then Anil, please tell him to return my maths book by today evening. He is asking Mohan to return the maths book by this evening, by today's evening. And then Kavita is saying, okay, I will inform him. Anil is saying, thank you, bye. The conversation, that is a telephonic conversation, is over. After the telephonic conversation is over, Kavita has to go out to market, right? So, before going to market, obviously she has to drop down the message for Mohan. So how she will be writing? She will be writing here first the topic message. Clear? After that she will be mentioning the time here, as I told you. Time should be there. Yes, I have taken 5 p.m. Yes, and then the date. Date means today's date. If supposing today at 5 o'clock she is going for the market, so she will be entering today's date. Okay, then no extra information. This I will inform, bye and all, hello, I am this. No extra information is needed. Only you are supposed to mention the important point. What was the important information? That is message for Mohan. Yes, this message is for Mohan, right? And what is the message for Mohan? That is Anil called at 4 p.m. Anil has called up at 4 p.m. has asked you to return his maths book by today evening. Yes, only this part of the message, conversation is important. So you are supposed to include only this while writing the message, not the extra information, as I told you earlier also, right? With this the message is completed. And lastly you can write down Kavita's name, because here who is the receiver in telephonic conversation? Kavita has received the call, right? So here down you will be mentioning the name Kavita, right? With this, I think the message writing is clear. We have converted the telephonic conversation into a message. Yes, and I told you that all these things should be remembered while writing a message. Hope you like my video. Yes, and do not forget to like, share and comment, and subscribe my channel also. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Thank you so much.